Hello everyone, welcome to my presentation. My name is Ibrahim Ali Mohammed. I have completed my master's in information technology from New York University, and I'm a senior system engineer in automation. And I have around 8 years of experience working for big four companies. I'm also an active Triple E member. And regarding my hobbies, I love playing cricket, hiking, and watching movies. And today I'm going to talk about a topic related to risk management in information technology. Over here, I will break down into four categories about my essay. What exactly is the risk management, and what is the breakdown in the software development in risk management, and what type of management of risk information risk is involved in information technology. And the conclusion. All right, and to begin with, risk management, as per the recent research, has shown that a business risk related to information technology can be considered and adopted in several organizations to a meaningful purpose that can be considered to implement this. And as I mentioned, the study has been demonstrated that some organizations have a well-laid enterprise risk management to set out in case if there are any unforeseen risk involved in this. And further study also expands about the risk management methodology which constitute a generic framework, and the framework must be therefore be considered as a risk management exercise, so on. Based on the review of a literature, the risk management procedure has taken into account that has over a time reviewed the process of parameterizing the risk management process. Therefore, risk management in information technology must involve around integrating the risk management through the system development life cycle. All right, and I will move to the next point, the breakdown into the software development. So this methodology of risk management was first developed by Leong and Timula in 2011, and with a mindset that the assessment, measurement, evaluation, and monitoring at the business. And by applying this methodology, has able to engage them in order to analyze the risk by minimizing the high cost. And the analysis focused on analyzing this project as a whole. This means the management in this case therefore covers the two aspects, being the activities critical in determining the risk management, and the other one is with the total duration that it covers. As you know, several authors actually has also tried to cover this methodology in their events, and they also talk a lot about laying more emphasis on providing the breakdown of this methodology. And I'm going to further talk about the management of risk in information technology. And over here, in this case, it is a very comprehensive in approach. It is not only because that this methodology deals with a particular type of risk. This try to cover the entire aspects of the business organization, where the several amounts of risk are being covered in there. So as the saying goes, business cannot achieve success unless they take the risk. But that doesn't mean that business make a gruesome mistakes of just keep on taking the risk and making a loss. So as we take the risk, we need to make sure that what risk we are taking, and we try to minimize the losses that might occur into that risk. Right? We need to be sure that if something goes wrong by taking this, we need to have a backup in order to minimize the loss. So information technology has dramatically grown into a big business and it has been increased into big indispensable business program, and today prominently drives the changes around the world. By this risk management is involved in the planning, management, risk mitigations, and system operations. And with the colossal impact, a role and intervention of IT that can definitely reduces the risk at the business. Mitigation is definitely a harmful threat that impacts and outcomes are the foundations of any initiative and a policy, and it is the foundation stone of the risk management. Before sinking deeper into the topic, let's highly I would like to highly valuable discuss about the high valuable to encourage the dilemma of the compliance of the regulations and the requirements that interestingly changing the shifting to insensitivity programs. So all I can say in my conclusion is that the risk management is an added advantage to any organization, that if you implement it, that would be a benefit, because that will help reduce the business the losses, by business willing to take the losses by taking the risk. So again, so you have any organization have to take a risk in order to attain that profit, but in order to make sure that they do not incur huge losses and blindly taking the risk, we need to have a solid planning, a structure where we can use this a proper methodology in order to reduce as much as we can the risk that would be benefiting the organization in the long run. Alright guys, that's it from my end. I hope you guys like my presentation, and I would be waiting for my feedback. Thank you everyone.